Hello guys, in previous video how the rendering was completing, we can see the lighting. We can adjust the lighting for this section for to towards the dark things to we can see here, and like this we can see here the how the lighting was completely towards the, we can change the colors also. Like this we can change the like this we can see here how the rendering was completing here this section. And the next thing, if you go for the plan, we see the in total how was the lighting was adding for this total building. So click on the AERO rendering. For the rendering shortcut is the AERO, and go for the medium, and here we can say internal artificial only, and go for the rendering option. Here it will be consist until it rendering was complete. Till wait, we can wait it for this section. You can see the how rendering was completing the total building. So the rendering was completed. Little more zooming. Here we can see the how lighting was available, and go for adjustment. Click on the right, drag down, okay. We can see like this. Okay, like this we can adjust it, and we can change the lightings also like this. And next thing was I want to add this section for lighting. I want to add this section for lighting, and go for text and click on components. Go for edit type and go for the load option. Here the different types of lighting here will be available. External lighting. Okay, I want to paste the street lights. Here click on OK. You can paste it here one. Paste it here. Which we are requirements, we can easily paste it towards anywhere. So I want to toward the right side, toward the left side. I want to change the directions. Okay. Okay, and click on double R, render and medium rendering option. Here we can change as the external artificial lights. Click on render option. We will wait for until the rendering was completed here. Here the rendering was continuing. The lights, we can see the lights adding in the surface. We can see here. We'll wait for until the rendering was completed. Okay, the rendering was completed. We can see the structure. We can see here the writings. We can see the how brightness we can apply. We can see the here we can see like this the structure how was acting on the lighting surface in the building structure. Okay, same as in the total internal also we can plan it. Okay, and okay, next job. Okay, the lighting was completed. We can see the in 3D view how was the lighting was adding here. See here the street light was adding here like this. Okay, this is the lights which the requirements to the upward direction and go for the ground level. Now lighting was completed and solar was completed. Now how to give the beams for these sections, sorry beams, not a beams, how to give the columns sections for these touch structure. So go for the architecture and click on the columns, and here we can place the architecture components and click on it. We can size the degrees and increase also. We can go for the edit option here, edit type, and go for the here depth and width option will be right now. So for that I want to add in we can easily 9 inches is enough it for this section, this structure. So click on OK, little more zoom in, and simply you can paste it here, and this I want to paste here one. Okay, and can change. We click on a space means it will be direction, it will be change the direction like this. We can paste it here, we can paste it here one.
टाइप చేస్తుండే కదా
Okay, here we can paste it like this, and we can here also we can paste it here one. One element is not compulsory inside the another. Okay, so okay,
that is mine, ma'am. After that you message
you can see here the already I want to paste the columns here, 3 sections, and go for the component. Okay. This is the warning which we given the double linter. Okay, here I want to paste one. You can paste it. Okay, like this we should give the to the total structure. We giving the total structure of the this section. We can give the columns like this, and we can see in the 3D view. You can see the whole the column was adding. Here we can see the how column was adding here this section, and I want to add this column section for this applying of first floor surface. Like this we can say. Okay, and the column was added here this section, and get two types of okay. Okay, the plan was completed this section. Okay, thank you. This is the planning of the Revit software, how the adding the shaders and how to add the doors and windows, etc., etc. You can see in the previous videos. That's it. Thank you.